What's going on, everybody? So I'm back in the video, and today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your ringtone to any song you guys want on iOS 14. So iOS 14 is required for this. So it's completely free and no computer is required. So before we start with the video, I'm going to give a huge shout out to Laxman, Raveen, Jack Umar. If you guys want to be shouted out in the next video, all you guys have to do is just drop a like on the video, hit that subscribe button, and comment something positive in the comment section below. So the first thing you guys will need is to go into the App Store right here, and you guys want to search up for this application called GarageBand, which a lot of you guys will know. So I do believe that the file size is quite big. We'll go ahead and check what it is in a second here. So make sure you guys have enough storage for this. But like you guys can see right here, it's GarageBand by Apple, and if we look for the file size, it's about 1.6 gigabytes, so make sure you guys have enough storage space to install this application. So once you guys have installed GarageBand, the next thing is to find any sort of song or audio for your ringtone. So fortunately, I won't be showing you guys like specific websites. You guys can find that on your own. What I'm going to be doing is just going to Safari right here, and I'm going to be searching up just no copyright music and MP3 at the end of it, so so I don't get any strikes on this video. So I'm just gonna go to the first link right here, and what you want to do is look for any, like I said, music, song or audio. I'm gonna download this one right here. Click on download, and once you guys have downloaded your audio, it's gonna download to your files application, and then from there, once you guys have GarageBand and your audio ready to go, we can now open up the GarageBand application right here. So this is my first time opening up this app, so it should look like this for you guys if you're doing the same thing. Click on continue, continue. We don't have to allow notification. And what you guys want to look for is the, I believe it's like the audio recorder section. So there it is. This is the one we want to look for. So we can tap on that. Once we are here, just tap on OK. And from here, what we want to do is tap on this little grid right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just tap on that. So it opens up this kind of menu right here. And then this little blue button right here, just tap on that so we can turn that off. If you have that on and toggled on, it's going to play some like buttons in the background, which will mess up with your audio. And then the next thing you guys want to do is tap on this little loop button right there. And then you guys are going to get a couple options where you guys can select audio from your Apple loops, your files, or Apple Music if you have Apple Music subscription. So for me, I don't have that. That's why I don't have that option. So if you're trying to get music from your music library from Apple Music, it's a perfect way to use that instead of actually downloading something from Safari. So for me, mine's in my files application, so I can browse this through my files app right here. And the one I downloaded was this one right here, the very first one. So we can now select that one. And there it is. So what we can do now is just tap on, hold on to it, and drag it into the GarageBand application. So there it is. And from here, you guys can like cut and paste certain parts of the song or whatever audio. So what you want to do is make sure you have it selected at the beginning right here. So make sure you don't cut it and then you just leave it like as is. You want to make sure that you put the audio at the beginning of this audio recording. So once you guys have your audio recording set up, you guys are ready to go. What you want to do is tap on this downwards arrow right there, and then tap on where it says My Songs, and your song will be created right here. So it's downloading right now, it's creating its file, so just be patient for it to download. So for some reason, I believe my iCloud is full, so I believe it'll still work for this. So what you want to do from here is just tap and hold on to your audio, and you guys can obviously rename it, but what you want to do is look for these shared buttons, so tap on that. And then you're gonna have three options for your format. So what you wanna do is tap on the ringtone, since that's what we're gonna be creating specifically for this video. And then the name of the ringtone, mine's just My Song. Click on export. So it's gonna export it as a ringtone. And then from there, it's successful. We can click on OK. And then from here, we can X out of GarageBand. We can now go into our settings app right here. We wanna go into the sound and haptics, and then under ringtone, you guys should see a new one called My Song, which is the one we just created. So that's how you guys can set any song to your ringtone for your iOS 14 device without a jailbreak, without a computer, and it's completely free. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys drop a like on it, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you guys don't miss a video. That's basically it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.